The big story, viewers, that we have for you is what is brewing as far as DMK is concerned. Now, sources within DMK camp are suggesting that the idea of pitching for a third national front, which is both anti-BJP and anti-Congress, is likely to be discussed in their upcoming high-level meeting. Some senior leaders in the DMK feel that attempts to form a third national front will be a good move. However, no discussions have taken place on this idea yet. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, good morning. It's very interesting because now DMK is in a position that it can't really remain a part of INDIA because it has Congress party. Congress is an integral part of INDIA. It can't join hands with NDA. So for the opposition, are we now looking at the possibility of a third front, which is anti-BJP, anti-Congress, perhaps, which will have parties like Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, several senior leaders from the DMK, they are very much interested in the idea of forming a third national front, which is both anti-BJP and anti-Congress. So this national front might have parties such as the TMC, RJD and SP is what they feel. But discussions about this has not taken place yet in the party headquarters. But in fact, just a short while back, I spoke to a very senior leader from the DMK who said that he is also very much interested in this idea. And during the next high-level meeting, he himself is going to propose this idea for discussion. So, and that is the mood that is prevailing, among many other senior leaders as well. So, the senior leaders of the Congress, of the DMK, pardon me, they want a third national front to be formed, and this national front for them should be both anti-BJP and anti-Congress, because the DMK has time and again maintained that ideologically they are opposed to the BJP, that the BJP is a communal force and that the BJP is a divisive force. So, ideologically we are opposed to the BJP is what the DMK has been maintaining for the past decade. So, suddenly they, of course, they cannot change their stance and they have to remain in the same stance ideologically. And as far as the Congress party is concerned, in the recent months, the bitterness between the Congress and the DMK, it has only been growing, especially after the Congress broke ties with the DMK post-elections in Tamil Nadu and joined hands with Vijay Thamizhaga Vetri Kalagam for 2 cabinet berths. So since then, both the parties, they've been attacking each other on public forums and they've been having a war of words constantly. So in this situation, many senior DMK leaders, they feel that it is only a good option for the DMK to attempt and somehow form a third national front, and this national front can have parties like the Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party and also the RJD. So all the like-minded parties who are both anti-BJP and who are also upset with the Congress, they can be brought together and the third national front can be formed is what these leaders feel. But again, as I told, this has not been discussed elaborately by the DMK High Command yet. In the upcoming high-level meetings, many leaders, they are expected to pitch this idea, and it is up to the DMK High Command to decide what they want to do next and how they are going to figure out their next course of action.
All right. Thank you very much, Dharini, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this. We'll see how the parties, the political parties that you specifically talked about, how they are going to respond to it and how the DMK's top leadership will respond to this particular idea emerging right now. Thank you for the moment for joining us.